The Independent National Electoral Commission INEC has alerted that some politicians in Oyo State are pressurizing the commission to buy the state's unclaimed permanent voters' cards. There are over 900,000 unclaimed PVCs in Oyo State with INEC. The commission has declared that it will not give in to the pressure aimed at rigging the forthcoming 2019 elections. It said that it is committed to ensuring that people's votes count in free, fair and credible polls. It emphasized that PVCs are not for sale. Roots TV, Nigeria.